We got new lower prices and clearance deals. Huge new lower prices and clearance at the lowest. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can make a review of videos so you guys won't miss any of the latest and greatest deals. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. To start here, we got some nice drills. These are all 99 bucks a piece, brushless RPs. You guys know those are the best ones to get, especially for a DIY prosumer. Like a Craftsman impact wrench for $99, a pack of batteries. And if you guys want the kit, it's $179 down from $229. You got some lights, flashlights, $19.97. These are really nice lights, Lux Pro. However, some of these are not rechargeable like this. They are battery powered, but you guys can obviously get battery 4 AA batteries included. You guys gotta always get some rechargeable batteries from Amazon or from here, wherever you want to get them from. That way you're gonna have to buy those batteries, spend on those batteries all the time. You got the Lux Pro, and I did put the 3 different settings, and I do apologize for the camera. That's the way the light gets the camera. That's 340 lumen for that one. We got the oscillating blade kit, $29.98, and a 260. I can't talk. A rotary toolkit. All right. So that is the 276 Jorgensen rotary toolkit. Pretty nice for smaller projects. $39.98 for the straight guide. A bucket hole jig, $49.98. Hole saw. So it is the cutting guide for your circular saw or whatever type of saw you're going to be using, jigsaw or whatever. You got the pocket hole jig 320 plus. Does include some bonus value, some screws there. Then if you want this assortment of screws, the project kit from Craig. Alright, so something I found that I never seen before, 4.3 compact digital inspection camera. Now this one was just dropped here. Maybe somebody was just running out the door with it. I don't know what. 9mm camera. Looks pretty nice. I did go online and find out the price because I did not see anywhere near here. So this was $99. Very interesting. The whole black part is a screen. You got $15.98 for the 40-foot light duty outdoor cord. Guys, there's gonna be a lot of clearance on these. Make sure you guys double check your lobes because you guys can use those for other things, garage and stuff. Alright, we got some SK tools. Yeah, something I never seen before at the Lowe's. You got $19.98 down from $24.98. Adjustable wrench 3-piece, $39.98 down from $50. That's a pretty good deal. 29-piece, 3/8 drive. Really nice set. And then you got the ratcheting wrenches, either SA or metric, for 59 bucks down from 79. These all do come with organizers. And let's look at some of them right now. Metric and SAE. Alright, so this one's pretty nice. It does come with some long sockets, shallow sockets, 29-piece, 3/8 drive. So you guys do see really nice quality on these, 13/16 3/4. And then they are indented. And those are the shallow ones. And then you got some extension there on the left and like a universal swivel. Alright, X-frame ratcheting wrench set, 1.7 at lowest arc swing. 3 times the torque. And then they do come with some carbon fiber type of organizer. Look. Yep, that's the way it sounds. I left the sound for you guys. I know some of you like to hear the ratcheting part, but that's pretty nice sound. You got the adjustables here with the SK logo on them. I personally think these are not worth it because you guys could just buy some other ones. But if you want to keep them all original in the same toolbox, there you go. You got the mechanics tool set. However, I said about the adjustables, not the rest. The ratcheting wrenches and the socket adapters, definitely worth it. This is actually not a bad deal here on the mechanics. You got a $149 portable hybrid radio. This does pack in a lot of features: AC/DC power, 2 storage spaces for small items. Plays audio from AM, FM, Bluetooth, auxiliary output, IP water resistant, 2 tweeters, drive impact resistant, high definition. $29.98 down from $59. That's not bad. This is for the. This is actually a pretty good deal. This is a big case. However, I did I did hear on the. Can't talk today. Haven't had my coffee. I did hear that the case is not the best. The latches they break. But overall, I think it's a pretty good value. It's tools are great. They said that the tools were great as well. So you got VersaStack tool bag, $49 from $69. I don't know exactly if this is the one because it was kind of mix and match, but it looks like the one from this tag. Craftsman tool bag, $49.98 down from $69. Alright, so you got 2 different ones. You got some more pet toys here on clearance. I'm not going to go over them in detail, but there's a whole bunch of different ones here for $7. Alright, toolboxes, guys. Lots of discounts on the toolboxes. Let's check them out. New lower prices or special value. $7.99 down from $9.99. 63-inch S2000. Now, I personally do own an S2000. Not this one exactly, but a smaller one, 53-inch. I really like it for the house, not for the pro. So that is the 10 drawer, and this is the smaller one here with the wood top, $3.99 down from $4.49. It's 7 drawer, 100-pound capacity drawers. That's pretty nice. Then this is a much smaller one unit here. And then something I do have is this. This is a really nice one, $7.98, $3.49, and $4.49. I do keep all my chargers up there for the power tools. And then something on clearance, guys. This is a really nice $5.72. I ended up, you know what I did with this one? I ended up, I should have made a video about it. But I got one of these, and they do have buttons on each one of them. I did hook up a shop light on the top where I record my videos for you guys, and you know the power tool videos. For everybody to reach, because that's pretty high off the roof, but the extension goes all the way down. So I ended up putting one of these there, and they can push the button and turn it on and off. You got some more clearance here in green. These are great for the garage. All these green stuff, you guys could put them in the garage. I understand that some of you don't like the colors, but hey, if you could hide it back there, you know, it'll work. Or if you got something on the outside you need to connect, maybe some lights or whatever. Accessories, you got a 25-footer. 16.3 gauge. Now, this one's pretty nice too, guys. It's a lot of clearance. Great for the garage, for those smaller lights, smaller power tools, you know, smaller drills, whatever you have. Those are great discounts on those. $122 for the twist and seal cord. However, if you guys have, these are paintable. You guys can paint them the color of your rock or the color of your accessory. Then you guys are able to. Our 75% off, guys. This is actually a pretty dang good deal on this one. 75% off for all the Christmas holiday lights. I'm not going to go over all of them in detail, but here's another one. $12 down from $24. So if you guys got lights and fans, or, you know, even those bug zappers, Dusk to Dawn. Yeah, those are great. And then these are paintable. So if you want to paint them, hide them behind your, you know, your AC unit or whatever. So these are great to have on the patio for all those devices, maybe lights or whatever you have. All right, so you got some weed whackers. This is $99 down from $119. It's a string trimmer, 20 volt max. And then if you guys want the brushless combo, so this is $179 down from $199. So this comes with battery and charger. 14-inch corded chainsaw, $33 down from $99. Now it's very similar to this one. It's not this one exactly. I believe this one's $16. So, and then you got some generators. This is a 6500 watt generator for $7.99 down from $10.99. It's not too bad. And then this one's the $11.99 down from $13.99. So there's different ones you guys could choose. You got a foam cannon here on clearance there for $31. I don't know exactly the quality on this. It says high quality, but I have no idea what the quality is on that. You got the Hercules digger, hole digger, $14, and then you got the wood mortar Razorback, $12 from $34. So that's what they have left. They have a couple of these. And then you got a Dustbuster from the Black & Decker Advanced Clean, $26.98 and $39, down from $39. Alright, so you got the Cobalt 40 volt 20-inch mower, 5 amp hour battery, $164, guys. If you guys see something like this, if you guys need a mower, don't think about it, just get it. That was a really good deal. Or if your mower's old. Got the ladder rack, $54, down from $79. You got an assortment of screws and bolts and nuts and all that. Anchor screw kit, well, that's what it's called. So $11, down from $29. It's not bad. You got the weather stations, thermometer there to the right, and $7 and $31 for the weather station. Down from $38 and $84 for the probe kit, down from $99. I never used something like this before, but voice data, have no idea. I've used one of these. This is pretty nice. $35 down from $69. This is a really nice one. I personally do have a Harbor Freight one. It's the cheapest thing out there. It works. That's all. But if you guys are electricians, you guys need something like that. $847, and then you got a a fish tape, 25 footer by 1/8. A hex key, 8 piece, $4 down from $8.98. So this whole little section is on clearance. You got a 9-piece car garage from Armorall. I personally do not like this brand, but $13.27, there it is. And I do like this one. This one's a little bit more expensive, so it's a great value at $20. Down from $50, detailing kit. Even one of those bottles costs like $10 by itself. So, alright, so they still got the buy one, get one free. These are still great deals, guys. You got 2 free tools at the bottom. Pay the $4.49, or the 1 free tool with the $2.99 or $1.99 deal. So I'm not gonna go over these on details because we've seen them before. Yeah, another good one, guys. It's all over Deal Team 6, 276 piece, $99. Big shout out to all the Deal Team 6 members that have been helping out all this year, trying to get you guys the deals. That's why I'm basically getting most of my deals. Deal Team 6 Facebook group and all the OGs, Tool Nerd, Joe the Tool Guy, all those guys. Those are Hakeem. They all been great. Helping a lot. Get those deals out. Alright, so we got the Mechanics tool set, $69 down from $94. $149 down from $199. Guys, there's some clearance going on these. The made in the USA. So if you guys see those, double check those prices. The ones that say made in USA with global materials, I believe they have a big old flag, or on the front. Make sure you guys double check those. Some of those are going for like $20. So make sure to double check on those. This is actually a really, really good deal. Impact driver, drill driver, those are brushless RPs, and they get a free battery. And this is a good deal as well. $199 down from $249 from miter saw. You got $569 down from $699. You got 13-inch portable planer from the DeWalt to the yellow brands. Pretty nice. They're already out on this one. On this Tough Build S200 roller stand. Limited warranty, $18 down from $29.98. Tough Build roller stand. Pretty nice. The miter saw, guys. This is the Bosch miter. This is a really nice miter saw. Wish I could afford this thing. $5.99 down from $6.49. So it's a pretty good deal on this one. They got one left. It's a really nice miter saw. They got $2.99 down from $3.29. A 12-inch Metabo. Those are pretty nice as well, but I believe it's not a slider. The other one is a slider. And then we got the DeWalt buy one get one free with the miter saw. Guys, these are still going on online at the store. I believe they're already not going on the stores. But if you guys look online, they're still going on these deals. Either Home Depot or Lowe's. Yes, I do not care if I say Home Depot on this video because they don't pay me. I say whatever I want. So yeah, make sure you guys jump on those prices. Jump on those deals before they head out, before they stock out. Another good deal is this one. This was $129 It's a cordless impact driver and drill driver. These are pro level tools. These are like the DeWalt, the Milwaukees, all those. Those are great tools. Another great tool is 21 degree framing nailer. A 3.5. You guys know Metabo is known for their nailers. 147 from 369. Killer deal on this one. Tell the truth, I did not even look for this one because I did not want to buy it. That's how bad this deal is. If I see that box, I'm probably going to end up picking it up. But I did not even look for it. I know they had it because they had a whole bunch of nailers and boxes. I already spent too much money. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell. And you guys have a great holiday, great Christmas. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.